Introducing the 2008 Volkswagen Jetta. Under the hood, you'll find a 5-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a leather steering wheel, heated seats, remote keyless entry, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Volkswagen ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraint, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.